Seimon Morris ydw i, a dwi'n mynd rownd ysgolion cynradd. Dwi'n mynd rownd 5 ysgol cynradd a'n gwneud cerdd. Dwi'n trio perswadio nhw i ganu a gwrando ar cerddoriaeth a hefyd i gyfansoddi. A hefyd yn ysgol man yn Sbytal, dwi'n gwneud lot gyda'r urdd. I ni'n cystadlu y parti recorders, ni'n gwneud cerddant, a ni hefyd yn gwneud y can actol.
Shwmae, Mr Palmer ydw I, pennaeth yr ysgol Spittal. I've nominated Mr Seimon Morris because of everything that he's done for Spittal over many years before my time here at the school. Contributed to the high standards of music here and also the successes of the children over the years in the Urdd. His reputation precedes him and he's quite famous in the county. He comes here on a Friday and teaches music across the school, so all the children benefit from his talent with ordinary music lessons, but he's perhaps most enthusiastic about the Urdd and his involvement in curriculum Cymraeg at the school and extending the children's Welsh. He supports all sorts of schools in the Urdd, not just Spittal, but every year we sort of take it for granted really that we're going to have some sort of success because of his hard work, and he gives over and above his time here on a Friday and comes back for after school sessions and pops in on Mondays to prepare the children to the high level that they achieve seemingly yearly. Previously they had much success in folk dancing over years with Mrs Morrill Palmer, but Seimon also supporting importantly there, and with a recorder group that he seems to get staged every year as well. Here's one of his favourites is cerddant, though he hasn't been staged at that yet. And determined to every year improve on what he's doing with the children in cerddant. And more recently with Spittal School through the can actol as well, where we've been staged for the last 2 or 3 years, and the children get so much out of his involvement with that. I know he supports other schools and children throughout the county as well, and seems to dart back and forth between in the tents in the Urdd with quick changes in between to help them with different events. And as I said, he's highly thought of by all sorts of people across the county for everything that he does for the children in Pembrokeshire. He is very modest, and he would never put himself forward for any sort of award, but because of the wonderful role model that he is for the children in our school and for others as well, we certainly feel he's deserving of the Urdd Award this year.
Mae Mr Morris yn gweithio galed iawn. Mae plant yn meddwl y byd o Mr Morris.
Mr Morris is amazing. You can't get a better music teacher than him. He has given me so many opportunities with the Urdd. Going on the Eisteddfod stage has given me so much more confidence too. He is amazing.
Dwi wedi bod yn yr ysgol yma yn Sbytal ers byti 2 flynedd ar 15 siwr o fod, a pan cyrhaeddes i, oedd yr ysgol yma'n gwneud lot gyda'r Urdd. Oedd Morrill Palmer a Sandra Evans mor dda, gyda lot o gefnogaeth gan Arthur. Oedd nhw'n gwneud lot gyda'r Urdd. So pan cyrhaeddes i, un o'r pethau mwyaf oedd rhaid i mi wneud oedd paratoi parti recorders. Yn y gorffennol, ond nhw wedi cyrraedd y llwyfan trwy'r amser, ond wedi nhw wedi ffeili ennill. So, y munud cyrraeddes i, when i'n ffeili cyrraedd y llwyfan o gwbl, ac o'n i'n gobeithio falle byddwn ni'n gwneud yn well. Ond ar ôl hynny, am 5 mlynedd ar ôl ni, when i heb cael ein curo o gwbl, beth ni'n gyntaf, ond yn ystod un o'r blynydden oedd foot and mouth. So, ar ôl hynny, wrth gwrs oedd party recorders Tiddewi yn dod i'r brig, oedd nhw'n challenge mawr i ni. Yn mwy diweddar, ni wedi bod yn gwneud y can actol. Oedd Catrin wedi bod yn touch yn gofyn a fydd y diddordeb o gwbl yn gwneud y can actol. A peth gyda'r can actol, chi'n gallu cael hyd at 30 o bobl, felly mae'n hyfryd. Sy'n rhaid i chi weid na wrth neb. A mae lot o hwyl a chi'n cael rhai sy'n moyn bod yn ser ar y llwyfan, chi'n moyn rhai eraill sy'n moyn cymryd rhan fel yn cefnogi fe, fel yn y kitgan. So mae hwnna wedi bod yn ffantastig. A ni wedi dod yn drydydd cwpl o weithiau, ond eleni nawr, daethon ni'n ail. So a blwyddyn nesaf, pwy a wir, oedd yn gret. So, ond yr ysgol yma, ni'n gwneud lot gyda'r urdd, ni hefyd yn gwneud cerdd dant. A un o'r pethau dwi'n benderfynol o wneud yw cael llwyfannu gyda'r cerdd dant. Fi sy'n gosod y cerdd dant, a dwi ddim yn credu mod i'n dda iawn o gwbl. A dwi'n dysgu'r crefft, dwi'n mynd off ar y cwrs penwythnos mis Medi bob blwyddyn i trio gwella crefft. So, un blwyddyn nawr, ni'n mynd i cael yn llwyfannu, gobeithio. Dwi'n credu bod beth ni'n gwneud yn yr ysgol mae'n bwysig dros ben achos mae'n hybu'r iaith Cymraeg. Mae'n rhoi siawns i lot o blant sydd yn ddi-Gymraeg. Mae rhan fwy o blant yma yn ddi-Gymraeg a maen nhw'n gweld Cymraeg dim jyst fel iaith estron neu rhywbeth, ond fel rhywbeth sydd yn digwydd. Maen nhw'n gallu mwynhau hunain, maen nhw'n actio, yn ewedig gyda'r can actor, maen nhw'n cael lot o hwyl ar hwnna, maen nhw'n gweld e'n cael ei ddefnyddio yn naturiol. Ac wrth gwrs nes ymlaen yn ei bywydau nhw, mae'n mynd i agor y drws at diwylliant Cymraeg. Mae eisiau gymaint mwy na just iaith. Mae'n diwylliant sydd ar glo nes bod yr allwedd da chi i'w agor e.
Diolch yn fawr i Mr Morris am helpu ni wneud y can actor cerdd dant ar recorders. You're the best music teacher in the world.